I'll give him a treat. Chad, you want a treat? You can do some crazy shit. Here we go, butter. Now's your time to shine. We've been practicing. We've been practicing. Sit. Oh, he just starts going off. Pause. Speak. Yeah. Bang.
Chad is nuts. Right back to the back. What a good dog.
Now he just puts the whole thing, he swallows it. He dies every time. We always have to resuscitate him. Look at him go.
Are you getting ready?
Chad, I have another treat, so eat that one really fast. You gotta let him know, right?
Yeah, or he might forget.
Yeah. Sometimes he swallows it, pukes it up later, so he just chews it up. Because he knows there's another one. He wants them both as quick as he can, because he thinks maybe I'll get bored of waiting for him to chew it, because they're chewy, they're pretty hard.
I don't think he's gotten the bite in yet.
So you got 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 2/3 cup of milk, 8 Oreos, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Do we have some?
Somewhere. I hope so.
That's it. Just kidding.
This one?
There it is.
Orange extract. Did we find it?
No way.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You get some in your nose?
A little bit. I was smelling it too much.
Is it soy sauce or is it?
It's soy sauce. Guys, look at this. Yeah, it goes into there, but
That doesn't work.
perfectly fits in there. No way.
Nice. Very nice. Indulging milkshake me.
I do not know how to play. Guys, there's a fucking creeper outside. Dun, dun.
The Minecraft theme song.
I choked so bad.
Oh no. You got the blade! You got the blade!
No way, Jose.
That's so bad.
That's my
That looks so good.
Uh-oh.
That's fucking...
No.
This bowl is so heavy.
You forgot one.
Get in there, buddy.
Yeah, you missed a spot. You missed a spot. You missed a one shot of vanilla extract.
The calculations were off. This is quite the Oreo milkshake.
Perfectly balanced.
As all things should. What?
No way. What?
That was almost
Watch the
That
nose!
was dead.
Good? Good chef up? Good chef up?
Lots of Oreos.
That's really good. There's also Oreos.
Very
but
delicious.
it's-
Shout out to Cameron Holman for the fire Oreo milkshake.
Gotcha. Is that a strike? Yeah. I want to see the video. Yeah. Oh yeah.
You were so close. Dang. Oh, I didn't know.
Oh. And we're the only course for them to be looking at. Oh, they don't give a fuck. Well done. Ooh, at least you killed that fucker. We're outside and Josh goes, Cole's probably throwing shitty shots for me. Show him the scoreboard.
Thought I was doing good, but we're at 41.
Take a look at my score at the board. I got 8.
First turn.
That's when you get 5 gutter balls in a row.
This one's for the girls. It's because I got a girlfriend, so fuck you guys. This one is for my girlfriend Tora. I love you, babe. Fuck! I still love her though.
That's the 3rd time I've hit that same pin. Last 3 turns, we have hit that same pin on the far side. Cut that.
So what's going on, guys? This is Cole Arson here, back again with another bowling tutorial. Today we are going to be hitting this strike, cash, money with the left hand. Yeah, Finn beat me already. No! Finn, you have a pin left, your shit. Well, imagine getting a straight.
He's just not as comp as me, I guess.
If I got her. If you got her.
If I got her. You ready? No look. Hands over the eyes.
No, no! How do you feel? It's game time.
Say you're bowling. You always at least try. Because if in the beginning you try and you're shit, that's okay. Because then you keep practicing, slowly playing, noticing the little things that you're fucking up. Oh, I could throw a little more straight, or oh, a little more weight, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left. We've been playing for 2 fucking hours now. That's a lot of fucking games to tweak your shots. So at least if you try in the beginning, you'll eventually be able to succeed in having a great shot.
Bias is just mad that I haven't tried once this whole game and I'm doing better than everyone else combined.
Die, Minion Horde! Who puts an attacking Inferno Tower?
Last shot, Bias, make it count. What did I say? That's what we like to see. Locked in.
That was for the viewers.
And that is it for bowling. Very fun, very nice.
And that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you made it this far, well, might as well subscribe, because then you obviously like the content. Yeah, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.